email extractor, email verifier, and email sender. Now today I'll show you the top two email extractor software. So one is Let's Extract, and one is from the Adam Park. Okay, so now I'll go through this email extractor. If you have a business, if you have a service, if you are an affiliate, you need leads. Okay, so you need leads. You want leads to maybe get sales for your product or your service. Okay, so if you are an affiliate, you are promoting somebody else's product, but you need leads. Okay, so email marketing is the number one business right now. Okay, so you need emails. Okay, so you need to collect emails, you need to follow up with emails so that you can make good sales. Okay, so if you are stuck, if you want to make money online, okay, so if you want all those good stuff, just watch this video till the end. Okay, because I will show you how to extract emails using these two software, and I'll also give you the pros and cons of which software to choose and how you can make money using these two software. Okay, so now these are my favorite two software because they have been around for a long time, and these two software are the ones that are awesome. Okay, so because there are a lot of software that comes and goes. Okay, so let's get started. Now first one, Let's Extract. You can extract emails from keywords. Okay, so extracting emails from keywords, they are the emails that you extract are highly targeted emails. Okay, so all you have to do is click out here and you just have to insert the keywords. Okay, so if you are new, you do not have a product, you do not have a service, don't worry, I'll show you where to find products to promote. Okay, so sorry, from where you can get those products so that you can promote and you do not have to buy that product. Okay, they pay you up to 75% commission for them. Okay, some even pay you 85% commission. Okay, yeah, just insert the keywords. I like this work at home niche because everybody wants to make money online, and when we are targeting it, we are targeting it around the world. Okay, so you can choose your country or just select around worldwide. Okay, so for this example, I'm just choosing United States because remember, the people from United States. Okay, so you get a lot of sales when you promote any offer or service to the people from the United States. And of course, if you have a product that's related to just particular geography, then you can choose according to your needs. Okay, so you can also choose the state, and once you click OK, so what this software will do is that it will go and first of all go and get all the links related to your keywords. Okay, that means it will find websites, it will find forums, it will find social sites, and it will find email addresses of people. Okay, but before that, it will go and get the links ready so that it can go and extract those emails. Okay, so that is, it will go and find this specific URLs. Okay, so just give it some time for the software to work. Okay, so don't worry when it's say not responding, but actually what it's doing is in the background it's going and processing this software. Okay, so this software is a bit slow than the other one. Actually the second one, which I'm going to tell you, which I'm going to show you, it's the fastest email extractor software, whereas this one, it does the work. Okay, so once it start extracting emails, you'll get around, let's say 5k to 10k emails in a matter of an hour. Okay, so but the other email extractor, you'll get it much faster. Okay, so now let's go and look at just go to the queue. Okay, so now what this software did is that it went and got all these URLs. Okay, so now it will go one by one and it will extract emails. Okay, it will extract targeted emails of people who are interested in work from home, earn from home. Okay, so online jobs, etc. Okay, so whatever keywords you have inserted, it will go and find emails and it will start populating out here. Okay, so it will go through all these links, and it will give you those emails. Okay, so this software has an email extractor, it also has an email verify tool to verify those emails. Okay, so when you are extracting emails, it's very, very important for you guys to go and verify those emails. Okay, so it will remove all the fake duplicate emails. Okay, so all the results you can see out here, the results will start populating out here. Okay, so for this example, I'm just stopping this extraction process because I want to show you that it also has an email verifier tool. You just have to verify these emails. Okay, so you have to verify these emails, and after verification, the software also has a bulk email sender software. Okay, so now what is in bulk email sender is that you can send emails to all these people from the software itself. Okay, so you just have to write your subject lines and your email out here. Okay, so this is the first email extractor software, verify software, and a bulk email sender software. Okay, so this software is also awesome, but personally I like the second one. Okay, now why I'm showing you this is that now once you go and extract emails, okay, so you extract emails, okay, so you do not have to send bulk emails to make money. Okay, so once you go and extract emails, head over to fiverr.com and just type in lead generation. Okay, so when you type in lead generation, you can see that all these gigs, okay, so they are making a lot of money. You can see out here this person's has 1k orders, okay, with $15. His offer starts with just $15. Let's go and see what his offer looks like. Okay, so you can just copy similar things. Okay, so do not copy word by word, but you can also provide B2B lead generation for any industry. Okay, so you can see today just for 50 leads he's charging $15. Okay, let's go and look at the standard. 200 leads is charging $55. 500 leads is charging $125. Okay, so even if you charge $100 for 500 leads, okay, so which you got in a matter of just few seconds, okay, so you'll easily get 1 or 2 orders every single day, and that's $200 every single day. Okay, so I'll leave the link of this Fiverr also on the description, and I'll also leave the link to this software in the description of this video. Okay, now let's head over to the second email extractor software. This is from the Adam Park, and this is my favorite because they have 24/7 support team. Okay, so that's what I love about this software. Okay, so this is also the fastest email extractor software. Okay, suppose let's type in a keyword. Okay, so I want to go and find products. Okay, so I want to go and find email addresses of people who are interested in work at home again. Okay, so I just click the start button. Okay, so you can choose the location, but let's just leave it to worldwide. Okay, and let's say just click okay, I will wait. Okay, now this is the fastest email extractor software, and I'll prove it in this video. Okay, so this video is in normal speed. Okay, so just watch. Okay, so just look here. Okay, 1000 emails in a matter of just few seconds. Okay, less than 10 seconds, and there are more than 2600 emails. Okay, so this is the fastest email extractor software, and what I like about this software is that once we go and send bulk emails, okay, I'm getting better conversions with the emails that I extracted using this software. Okay, so this software is costlier than the previous one. The previous one cost $79 one-time payment, and this one costs $229, but it has live support there. This okay, I'll show you the email verify tool also. Okay, so this is also the fastest email extractor. The verification process is also awesome. Okay, so it will remove all the duplicate emails for you. Okay, so let's go and verify these emails. Okay, it will remove all the duplicate emails, it will remove all the fake emails. Okay, so and what I like about this software is that it has its own SMTP server also. Okay, so if you're starting, you do not have to go and get an SMTP server. Okay, so do you want to remove duplicate emails? Yes. Okay, now you can verify by domain syntax. Okay, so or you can just choose and set it as valid. Okay, but I do not recommend you to set it as valid. I want you guys to go and go through the process of verification. Okay, it will take some time, but never mind. Okay, so yeah, these are the stuffs you can do. You can also export this to Excel, Word, okay, so clipboard or wherever you want. Okay, they also have a list manager, and they also have a bulk email sender. Okay, so when you go back to fiverr.com, okay, so just create a gig and you can sell leads according to niches. Okay, and this software will help you. Okay, because this software will go and extract thousands of leads for you. Okay, and you can sell them. Okay, so you can sell them. Just imagine 10,000 emails in a matter of just few seconds. Okay, so it's 39 seconds out here. Okay, you can monitor out here, and you extracted 10,000 plus leads. Okay, so now if you just sell these leads for, let's say, $100, if you just give away just 1000 leads, okay, so that means you are already making very good amount of profit, okay, using this software. And yeah, this bulk email sender, okay, this bulk email sender is also very advanced. Okay, so you can test, send, schedule. Okay, all those recipients are already added out here where you can go and send emails. Okay, now I'll show you another way to make money online using this software. Okay, so they also have the spam checker, so that your emails, whichever emails you are sending, will reach the inbox, okay, at the primary tab. Okay, so you can check there, and they also have a tracker. Okay, so okay, next thing what they have is they have also have this templates which you can use. Okay, so you can use this templates, so let it load. Okay, so there are a lot of templates according to occasions. Okay, so this is about this software. Okay, so how you can write if you do not want to sell the leads. Okay, so if you want to send emails and make money, you'll make more money than selling leads. Okay, selling leads also you'll make good amount of money, but of course going and selling a product high ticket offer by sending bulk emails, it's another level. Okay, that means you'll make more money using it. Okay, so for that head over to clickbank.com. Okay, so just let it load. So head over to clickbank.com and you'll find a lot of products to promote. Okay, you do not have to buy any products, remember. Okay, so you just have to promote these offers. And if you do not know how to write cold emails, yeah, because it's not a cup of tea of everyone. Okay, so you may not know how to write cold emails. So if you just go to this affiliate page, okay, so they will have the emails ready for you. Okay, you just have to copy paste and send emails. Okay, so let's go with this e-business and e-marketing. Okay, because I love this niche, so I want you to look at this niche. Okay, so and go to this affiliate page. So once you go to this affiliate page, you can find banners. Okay, so you can find all promotional materials, but what we are looking for is we are looking for this email swipes. Okay, so we are looking for this email swipes where they have at least 20 of them, I think. Yeah, if you just go and email every single day, by the time you reach this 20th email, you will make at least one or at least two sales. Okay, so using this system. Okay, so it's still loading. Okay, so let the site load. Meanwhile, let's get back out here. Okay, sorry, not here. So when you are writing an email, okay, so you just have to click new message. Okay, and just delete the default message out here and just insert the subject line out here and insert the images out here. Okay, so while sending emails, okay, so remember to always include your subscribe unsubscribe link out here. Okay, so because you do not want to spam people. Okay, so let's go and look at one of these emails out here. Okay, so you can see that subject line is also there and body is already there. Okay, so in this place where it's in bold, okay, complete your application, you just have to select it and you have to add your own affiliate link. Okay, so affiliate link is the link that will get after you click this promote now button. Okay, so and insert your affiliate nickname. Now nickname is the username that you that is unique to you. Okay, so when you are creating a ClickBank account. Okay, so and just click create hop link. Okay, so when you click this, now this is the link. Okay, so this is the link that will get tracked back to you. Okay, you just have to copy this out here and while sending email. Okay, so while sending email, suppose you say click here to buy something. Okay, so you just have to select it out here and just insert a hyperlink. Okay, so hyperlink to your affiliate link. Okay, so of course this is whenever people go and buy this click this link and buy the product, you'll make a commission. Okay, so of course you are not sending this. Okay, you are writing the whole email out here and you are talking about the product, and in the end of this email you'll write click here to buy that product. The benefits of these products are this. If you want to buy, go and click this link. Okay, so if a person goes and clicks this link and buy, you'll make a commission. Okay, so now these are recurring income and that's the beauty of this. Okay, so once you get an initial conversion, from the second month you'll make $29.28 per month. Okay, so if you have 100 people under you with just one offer, from the second month you'll make around $3,000 passive income. Okay, so you just scale. Okay, just go and use this system and continue sending emails and make money. Okay, remember to go and get SMTP server, dedicated SMTP servers from fiverr.com. Okay, so for that, okay, so if you need any help, okay, so on choosing the right SMTP servers, you just have to go to Fiverr, just type in SMTP server and you'll find hundreds of them. Okay, so you can go and get that as well. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is really awesome. If you want leads, if you want to get conversion, if you want to make money, doing affiliate marketing, or if you want to make money promoting any offer, your own offer, selling products, digital products, physical products, you can use this method. Okay, it's working right now, 2024. Let's make this year a better place. Okay, let's all make money together. Okay, so once you start making money online, do not forget to help others to make money online. Okay, so I'm also good at email marketing. Okay, so if you need any help, okay, just head over to your business wizard on Instagram and you can just contact me. Okay, if you need any questions, if you have any questions, I'm always ready to help you guys. Okay, I reply to each and every one of you within 24 hours. Okay, so that's I like to keep in touch. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Just a one favor I ask you for watching this video, please use the link on the description of this video to go and get any of the two softwares so that it can support this channel. And do not forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. Okay, so I'll see you on the next video. Till then, I wish you good luck. Let's make money together. Bye bye.